So folks, we're going to be making a car drawing with a pen tool. You're going to just be drawing the shapes of the different car to kind of make a flat version of it. But before you do that, you're going to need to open your file. So what I'm going to do is show you how to create a new file. So I've got a standard size, this 8.5 by 11, that's what I'm asking for. So I'm going to click on that. If you don't have this as a preset in Photoshop, which you likely do not, you're going to go up here along the top and click print, and it's this 8.5 by 11. You'll click on that. It's a standard size for a piece of paper. The thing that I'm going to do is change it landscape so that it fits my car better. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this resolution just because our file size is doesn't need to be quite that big. So this is what I would have you name your file, just your first name and then the name of the project. And that's how you create your file. Create, and there it is. It's the same size as this. And then this is where you'll drag and drop your car image. You'll just look up whatever car you want, drag and drop. It'll be a layer here. And then I will show you guys in class how to work on this and draw your car individually.